Well, it's day 2, and it's teardown time, so let's get to it. Manifold's out. I'm gonna show you guys something here. Ooh, check out that big choo-choo boy though. That's a big choo-choo boy. This is what I want to show you guys. Just showing you how important it is to have a proper AOS, not like mine, my Crawford thing. I don't know if you can see that. The head is completely covered in oil. Literally, the whole thing is just soaked in oil. I'll put some detailed pictures here. Behind the valves are completely, like, just gunked up with oil. Like, it's just bad. So I don't even think I'm gonna put this car back together with that Crawford. I'm gonna have to get an IAG because that seems to be the best on the market. That's going to keep all that oil from going back into the motor.
Fucking 600 horsepower.
Being held together with 10 mil bolts, 600 to the tires. Think about it, this little thing's producing like 700 inside here. It's making steam, man. I'm gonna have to pull up that video again to look at the bolt sequence for taking off the heads.
Wow, it's the same as going in.
What's going on in this one, Roger?
I should record. I'm gonna record you. Wow, look at that. Let me see the smile, Austin.
There's no smiles with the Subaru.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Big fucking muscles.
You don't even have to buy it.
Really?
No, it's a metal gasket.
That's your bus guy. You got that chest pumping.
Oh yeah, you're literally
flexing on the motherfucker.
There's one head. So first head's off. This is what we're working with. No obvious signs of head gasket failure or even head lift, which is leading me to believe that the issue is going to be on the other side of the motor. So let's get to it. Number 2. So the pistons don't look that bad, but I don't know if you guys can clearly see. There looks to be scoring now on the cylinder wall right there. You can see lines going straight up and down. If I come back around to this side, same thing, you see scoring right there. And we actually found a ton of metal shards right there in that spot, and I'll show you those. One looks like it's an actual chunk of the bearing in there. You can't really see it, but it's in there, and there's all little pieces of metal, so I don't know, we're getting down to the bottom of it. So right off the bat, everything on this head was ridiculously tight. And I don't know if you can see, the cam was actually stuck in this head. That cam right here, which is going to be the exhaust side cam, literally was completely stuck. You can see it completely scored up right there. The head studs were ridiculously tight, so this might just be the culprit. Oh my god. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap all this up. Basically, the motor's all tore apart. I'm going to give those heads to Sal, have him run through them. But I do think that everything is damaged. One cam is so scored it didn't even want to come out. And the actual head itself has like all these gnarly grooves. Everything seems really, really screwed up. That's all messed up. The block doesn't look too bad, but like this, you know, these cylinders don't look too bad. But this cylinder, you know, is like cooked really bad. So there's all kinds of weird things going on. You know, I definitely want to just, now that the block is out, bring the block to somebody and then bring the heads to somebody. This whole thing's got to be redone. So, you know, obviously I'm not an expert on Subarus. I can't tell you guys offhand what needs to be done, but we'll go from there once we figure out what we're going to do. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.